Forewarned is forearmed, and never more so than when it comes to navigating changes that occur in the automotive landscape every year. Dealer's Edge Executive Summary: 2022's top legal issues for automobile dealers. Eric Chase, noted auto dealer attorney and partner at Bressler, Amory, and Ross, PC, led a spirited discussion of the legal challenges facing retail automotive dealers in 2022. The full one-hour recording of this discussion is available to Dealer's Edge members only. To access this workshop, as well as our full library of webinar recordings, executive summaries, books, manuals, and special reports, please visit dealersedge.com/free trial. To help his dealer clients see around the corners of the automotive ecosystem, Eric Chase, as he does every year about this time, offers his latest edition of the top 30 legal trends for automobile dealers. And newly added this year, his 2022 Legal Audit Checklist for Dealers. Free to everyone upon request. Factory facility requirements are always a controversial topic when it comes to return on investment. This perception is backed up by NADA studies as recently as a few years ago that found the rate of return to be low. However, expect the pressure to be on dealers to continue to upgrade and upsize facilities in 2022. Eric is of the opinion that until the potential impact of OTA on service department business becomes clearer, this is not a good time to invest in facilities. So what options do dealers have? The good news is that some state laws offer substantial safeguards for dealers when they are pressured to make improvements with less than reasonable ROI. In addition, when faced with threatening/coercive letters, Eric recommends that dealers always write back to the factory. This includes by email, in a civil and factual manner, listing the ways that the factory's request is not reasonable, lacks clarity, etc. Eric noted that this tactic often results in the factory backing off. The historical uniqueness of product shortages and the consequences to dealers. Chip shortages and vehicle supply will be a problem well into the future. However, insufficient inventory can translate into low sales ratings, setting up a kind of catch-22 that can adversely affect inventory allocation. What can dealers do when they find themselves in such a situation? Again, Eric stresses the importance of always answering the factory in writing. He went on to cover what does OTA, over the air, mean, and why it deserves attention now. Will there be a spike upward in direct retail sales by traditional car makers and others? What are the possibilities of existing franchise dealers being replaced in the expanding EV era? The lasting legal, operational, and practical impacts of COVID-19 and its variants of last year and beyond. The conundrum of sales performance standards. And the leadership factor in every dealership. Remember, the full one-hour streaming video workshop, its corresponding handouts, and executive summary are available to members in the Dealer's Edge archive 24 hours a day. You can sign up for a 30-day free trial and see all we have to offer at dealersedge.com/free trial.